Hello everyone, this is going to be a demonstration of the KFDtool hardware that I developed. So this is the KFDtool hardware itself. Ignore the blue wires coming out, those are just to break test points out for development. On one side there's a 6-pin high-res connector, and on the other side there is a USB Type-B connector. This is the 6-pin to 6-pin high-res cable used to connect the Motorola standard Keyloader adapters. For example, the one for APX portables, W series control heads, XDS portables, and GCAI mobiles. Those all have the high-res connector on one side and connect through that cable to the KFDtool. So what I'll do now is open up the KFDtool software that runs on the computer. And let's hook up the adapter to USB port. It's quite tricky doing this with one hand. Okay, and it'll auto detect. It comes up as COM17. And let's connect the high-res connector to one side of the KFDtool. And let's take a APX portable, it's an APX 6000, and connect up the high-res connector to the Keyloader adapter. It goes into keyload mode. So back on the software, what we can do is go under View Key Info, and there are no keys in the mace right now. So let's change that. Use slot 1 and key ID 1, and let's go and copy a key that is on the other radio and paste it in here. Now we're going to be using AES because these radios have AES, but you can use DES or ADP, or really if you have some other algorithm you can enter the ID in here, but we'll go with standard AES and load the key, and we'll go back and view key info, and now there's one key. So now what we'll do is we will take the high-res connector off, and as you can see, AES, and I can take this APX 8000 I have here that also has that same key on it, and testing 1 2 test 1 2 test 1 2 test, and as you see, it works. And that's all.